us. We're back. We're doing it in a place far, far away from our house today. But this is what we're going to do today.
How long are we on?
Oh, we're getting an oil change, and my tires rotated on my truck. Little help, Shay, little help.
In Kingston.
In Kingston. All right, let's see what we got.
All dressed.
Lay's.
Tangy, sweet, and savory. A Canadian favorite flavor.
Canadians. But we're Americans. So anyways. Oh, they smell delicious. Come on, Faye.
Hey, hey.
Those are delicious.
These like barbecue chips.
Yeah, well, they got a sweet taste to it. I recommend them 100% when you're getting your tires rotated, your oil change. Somewhere in Kingston. But it's Friday. And we're just waiting. See what they come back with. And all that type of stuff. So. Again, Lay's, all dressed in this cold weather. So, we're gonna sit here for a few, wait for everything to get done, and yeah. We got these at Cumbies, Cumberland Farms. Best coffee in the world. Hot or cold. They got big cups now. Check out a slushie. So everybody, have a great weekend. Have fun. Maybe we'll see you this weekend. Maybe. I said maybe. That's a new thing with popcorn. We'll let them know. But anyways, everybody have fun. Bye. 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 Look at Shay's blue tie. Okay, bye.